Hey, Sandy! I bet I can beat you to the top!
I don't want to race, Forrest! Besides, you can't climb without a partner! It's against the rules!
I don't need a partner. I'm an expert climber.
Forrest, that's not safe.
Forrest! Hang on!
I can't!
Bring us down, Rocky!
You could have been hurt, Forrest.
I know, but I was just having some fun.
Rescue. We've got a man-made disaster, team. An oil tanker just crashed into an iceberg in the Arctic. Oil's everywhere. We've got double duty on this one. Rescue the ship's crew and stop the leaking oil. What's the wildlife impact, Aaron?
This region is home to many different kinds of animals, including nesting seabirds, whales, and seals.
If the oil reaches their habitats,
There could be big trouble. That's why we're on our way. Rescue heroes,
Let's go!
Carlos, what can we do about the oil?
I've got the perfect thing for the job, Billy! Introducing my incredible oil sponges! These babies will soak up that oil spill in no time.
oh!
Nice one. Okay, Sandy, Rocky, use the sponges to surround the oil spill and keep it away from all those animals. Carlos, patch up the leak on the tanker.
Oh no! Looks like a fire is breaking out.
Change of plans. Forrest, you and I are going in to contain the fire. Reed, get the crew to the main deck. Sky, evacuate everyone to the mark. We need to move fast.
Let's do this!
Woohoo! It's welding time!
Most of the crew are already on the deck. But two more are trapped inside.
I'm getting them, Sky. Don't worry, we're here to help.
Now, we just let the sponges do their job and soak up all that oil.
Oh no!
Oh, these poor little birdies! They must have been swimming in the oil. We've got to help them.
We could get them back to the ship and give them a bath.
Yes! Come on, my darlings. Let's get you all cleaned up.
Reed, prep the crew for pickup.
All aboard!
I'll come right back for the rest of you.
Hey, Billy! I can get to the source of the fire through that door!
We'll work our way down together. You know the rules. Always stay with your partner.
You can handle things here!
Forrest! Rules are there to keep us safe.
Don't worry! We can do both! Ha-ha! Time to beat the heat! I'm a one-man firefighting crew. Who needs a partner?
Carlos Kitbash has done it again! I guess it's Carlos 1, Iceberg 0! Oh no!
Whoa! Billy, I'm gonna need some help down here.
On my way.
I guess I do need a partner after all.
Hold on, Forrest.
I'm really sorry, Billy. This is all my fault.
The fire's getting closer, and I can't lift this by myself. Reed, we need you down here. Quick!
On my way!
If I had just followed the rules, none of this would have happened.
Reed, help Forrest while I clear the fire.
I'm on it.
Thanks, Reed.
Come on, Forrest. Let's get you out of here.
No, this time we follow the rules. Partners should always stick together.
Oops. Aww.
It looks like you've got a new friend, Sandy.
Look, they're coming back. Aww.
We're all clear out there. The oil's cleaned up thanks to Carlos's fantastic sponge invention.
And the tanker crew members are all safely recovering in the medical bay.
Excellent work, team.
Can I say something?
Of course, Forrest.
I let the team down today. I decided to ignore the rules, and it almost cost us the mission. I'm really sorry, team.
Thank you, Forrest. The important thing is that you came through at the end.
Rescue Heroes Vlog 146. Another day, another rescue. Today we learned that rules are there to keep us safe. And it's really important to follow the rules. Because when you don't, you could get yourself or someone else into a dangerous situation. Forrest learned that the hard way. We also made friends with some really cool birds. Oh, I wish I could keep Flappy here. But wildlife belongs in its own natural habitat. I guess that means it's time to say goodbye, Flappy. I'll miss you, little buddy. Do you want to say goodbye to everyone?
Let's go!